Okay, on this episode of Useless Mods That I Don't Need, we're changing you out with you. So I didn't realize that this has to come out, so yeah. That one is a little fucking nightmare to get to, so I already loosened it up so I can save some time, but we're gonna get cracking at the rest of it now. So now I have to take this whole piece out because it's all one solid piece. Yay! I don't think you need 10,000 fucking things connected to the goddamn fan. Holy shit. Might as well just take the fucking module off. Like, look at this shit. Why is it so fucking overly complicated? It's a fan. It looks so lovely to get down there. Fuck. This is also falling off of something. Hopefully nothing important. Back up here. One up top and then one down below. Same fucking style clip. Hopefully see what I'm doing. Back up here. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Tightened. Got the O-ring in here. I now understand why they wanted me to take the intercooler off. There we go, you're in nice in place. Little red fucking mounting clip. And now do I see that way? I've been running out of fucking time. Alright, well, since I got like 2 fucking minutes left now, I'm just gonna pause it here. And there she is, all back together. I don't have enough storage to show you the whole putting them back together and the struggles that entailed, but it's back together. Finally. Hopefully. Let's find out.